This is your chance now for the next huge, amazing Bitcoin trade. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. As you can see here, we are just breaking this trend line here. So this is a perfect entry, guys. Now, if you, for example, want to make it quite secure, let's say, then you wait for a retest, and then you enter once we break above this high here again, guys. Okay, so, and if you also want to trade, if you use the sign up links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let's go to the 4-hourly time frame, or first here on the daily. You can see here this white line here has been acting as resistance since the all-time high here in March. Okay, so the very interesting scenario now is the following. As you can see here, we are still trading above this white line here. Okay, and the blue line up here is the all-time high from the bull run in November 21. Okay, so the really interesting thing at the moment is if we are able to break above this here, then it looks very, very bullish, because on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see here we have just some resistance coming in at around 71.5k, and the traded volume, the VRVP, shows us once we break above this here, yeah, there's almost no volume, so the way to the all-time high is very open then, yeah, not much resistance going on. So this is a very, very interesting scenario. Let's also talk about the ETFs. As you can see here, we had huge inflows of around 450, 470 million per day. So this is of course also supporting this price rally, so to say, that the Bitcoin price went up. Let's talk about the liquidation heat map, because as you might know, sooner or later the exchanges try to push the price to those areas to get the liquidity of the traders. So we have around 111 million waiting at around 67.5k. So I guess before we go higher, maybe we see a test of these levels here so that they grab the liquidity. And then we have a lot of liquidity of around 150 million up at around 69.4k. So I guess we might see a test of these levels and then we go higher. Let's also talk about Ethereum. As you can see here, the trend is your friend here. So this, yeah, I told her in the last videos, I talked about this. You have this box here and this box here, and now this box acts as resistance. But you know, the more often a support or a resistance gets tested, the more likely it is to get broken. So as you can see here, right now we are testing it since a couple of hours. I mean, this is 4-hourly candles, yeah. And as long as you stay above this blue line, everything looks very bullish. And then the next price level to watch out is this resistance here at around $2,820, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.